It has been so hard not to just tell you everything that is in this box. This might be a hefty video, but that is because it's a hefty box. Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you, and today I have the most amazing co-host. I got bit by a mosquito. So excited. Like, I've been working my tail off since December on this, and my whole team has. But literally the last 3 weeks, I've been really working my tail off. So let's get going. Open your box. You're going to automatically see that everything is stuffed inside this tote. We wanted this to be the weekender bag. We want you to be able to take your crafts with you, your therapeutic crafts that we prepped for you. We found Embroidery, which is an American-made company, and they hand make all of these totes. They brought it, okay? These are what we are giving to our influencers who are coming out to the event. They do custom screen printing. They specialize in bulk orders. So if you have a small event or a big event, learn them, like them, love them, order it, bling it, put a charm on it, paint it, HTV it, DTF it, do it. You're gonna go spend your weekend crafting with your girlfriends, okay? This is a never before seen, never before done Mickey ear kit. You're gonna get 2 packs of chalk markers. Where are we going with this, Tay? You may get a pastel set and you may get a neon set, but you'll definitely get a white set. RV is amazing. They sponsored this part of it. You might know them as Yukaida, and you might know these as Bistro markers. They're all the same brand, hands down, amazing chalk pens. When they decided to sponsor, I was like, I want to think outside the box with what we do with them. So what are we doing with them? You are going to make hand embroidered Mickey ears, stitched on. So you're going to sew them, but they're no-sew, in the sense that you don't need a sewing machine. You're not gonna see the full ear until we actually do a tutorial on them, but they're going to be made out of faux leather, inspired by the leather ears that you can get hand painted. That's where I was going with this. But we're gonna use chalk pens because you can change them out. What? Some of you guys will get black and some of you will get white. Still elements of mystery to the mystery box. We'll have to cut this out by hand, and then you'll get a headband, and you'll get a bow kit. If you've never made one of the Auntie Tay perfect bows, you will now, because you've got a little set. If you don't like the fabric you got, you can make this bow and put it on something else. We'll need a piece of ribbon or a little piece of scrap fabric, so you may have to grab yourself some of that. Should be 2 little pieces of rubber bands too. Don't lose them. They might shuffle around in here. Should we go see what else is in the box? There's more Embroidery love in there. So Embroidery actually sponsored the box in 2 amazing ways. Not only the tote that we're going to embroider, DIY, you also get a really amazing big pouch. It's gonna be chock full of all the supplies you're going to need for so many crafts that we're going to do. You will get a mystery bag of rhinestones, never before mixed. They get a rainbow mix that like nobody's ever seen. It's literally like every color we've ever had in one mix. We are gonna be blinging all of our tools. We're gonna bling our hot glue gun. Everything in your kit, you're gonna bling. Now let me tell you the difference between these 2 glues, okay? We've got Tay's fave, Fusion Tack. Typically I buy it in the big bottle and then I put it in my own little precision bottle. This one's already in a smaller bottle. This will hold so tight, super tight. This guy is super duper industrial. This is the strongest glue they have, but it cannot get wet. Green means don't get it wet, okay? And then Fusion Tack, this is what I've used to bling my Tesla logo that I have taken through car wash over and over. We live in the mountains. I've had it on there for over a year now. I've been waiting for 1 piece of bling to fall off so that I can show you when it falls off, and it has yet to fall off. My car is dented. That's for another day. Story times later. Get back to work. Amazingest part of it, this you cannot put in the car wash. Don't do that. Green means no water. None of their glue's yellow. Why do we love Super Tight so much though? Even more than the fact that nothing yellows. Like Brian, the owner of this, started it because he wanted to make a safer glue. When he saw that people were using glues on their grandmas and glues on their children, he was like, you guys, you can't be using that garbage. It's not just about the smell, guys. It's also about the chemicals that it's emitting. Sponsored by Tay is an entire embroidery kit. You will get some embroidery thread, a needle and a needle minder, a loom, little pair of scissors that are probably not the best, but I had to get a lot of them, so I had to find them in a big pack. But they'll do the job to snip, okay? You'll get a little Bling tray. All of these things I have in my Amazon store. This is just to get you started in embroidery. Heat erasable pen. Don't lose him. And he's got little ears so you can put bling on them. Mystery trio of embroidery beads. And these are custom mixed, like I hunted for pretty, unique, and creative beads to put together. If you've ever been on my Zoom or my lives, you'll see that I was mixing something, and that's usually what it was. Then Marvy, who literally gave all the chalk pens, will also show up again with their Bling jewel picker. You'll get a little sanding block. That's for anything that you want to scuff up a little bit when we're blinging, and a little alcohol pad. But that's your little kit, and you can do hundreds of projects. We're also doing some 101 series, so you're gonna wanna know how to embroider. This is gonna get you started, all right? Plus, you're gonna use your embroidery thread on your embroidery Mickey ears. Let's go on to the next part of the box. I was like, surely that has to be the most detailed part, but no. This is the MakerFlow part of the box. You're gonna see Ivy bringing a lot of this stuff to life. These aprons. They can be worn as aprons, but we did run into a little hiccup with the aprons. We noticed that the hardware on them was a little rusted. So have no fear. I asked MakerFlow, hey, would you be willing to let me DIY this apron into something else using the other something else's that we have in the box? MakerFlow delivered. We're going to get some of their glitter. They carry glitter because they are a resin company. They're sublimation blanks. They do so many things. But when we were picking the project we wanted to do, we were like, we're trying to go anti-machine right now. So they were like, well, we got you. We're gonna send the machine you need. You're gonna get a UV light. You will need batteries for it. So 3 AA's, that's all you need, but you are gonna need that. Bling him, mine is blinged. If you guys want a matchy match, you're gonna get UV resin, okay? A little silicone resin tray, but we love silicone because then when it cures, you can just pull it out. You'll get some tape. This is helpful for when you're making your jewelry. You can tape things to the ground or to the table, wherever you're making your stuff. These little silicone tools, best thing ever. If you guys remember when I used to do products, I was all about the silicone stuff. You're gonna get a whole toolkit. So, oh wait, you are getting, I didn't even need to get scissors for the embroidery kit. You get scissors. You're gonna get a weeding tool, some tweezers, and then a scraper tool, a MakerFlow scraper tool. Burnishing tool is what they're actually called. You'll get some gloves because we have to make sure our hands are protected. You're gonna get a little puzzle piece. You can play with this with your resin and try out some techniques with it. 50 keychains. What? Like, you're gonna be able to make so many keychains. You'll get a mold, and if you want different molds, MakerFlow has more. You will get a mystery mold. Some people got some jewelry ones, some people got keychain ones, so that you can learn how to use resin. Remember, this box is about learning, and it's also about getting some really awesome supplies that will stay in your arsenal, if you will. Bezel set, so you're gonna be able to make earrings and a necklace. And we're gonna have Ivy break down resin for you guys, because some people will get a little mystery keychain bag of beads. And you'll get this really super cute silicone mat that goes with the MakerFlow kit. The Bella Canvas heavyweight hoodie, which I am so excited for, especially because winter and fall is coming. You will get it in black. We just thought everyone loves black. They do have like 5 other colors. It's really high quality and it's really comfortable. And as all Bella Canvas stuff is, thicker for embroidery, hand embroidery. These hoodies are gonna be so good for, okay? Whether you're branding for yourself, you're just making something fun, or you're selling. This is a glue gun. You guys have seen the cordless glue gun. Cordless glue gun's amazing. Stay tuned for a bonus box during our event if you want the cordless one. But if you want this kit, like it's a pink glue gun in a case with glue sticks that you could refill later in your own travel case. But can we talk about the fact that you could pack in a whole little project and take it with you? This is the weekend tote for a reason. This is like a travel case for your hot glue gun. you're getting this entire thing. This hot glue gun, if you want more of them, is in my Amazon store. They come in tons of different colors. So if you're ever looking for a fun gift to get for somebody, Romex glue guns. These are about 25 and the cordless ones are about 35. But again, if you want the cordless one, look for the bonus box. You want to be in my newsletter because that's the people who are going to hear about it first. You guys are going to get a pouch. Don't lose this because it has stuff you need for crafting in it, but it also has your schedule for the event and some fun things in it. But you may have seen the back, okay? So the back is a sneaky peeky. My goal is to come out with this for Christmas time. It's gonna be an Embroidery 101 book. It's gonna have tutorials, it's gonna have stitch guides, it's gonna have patterns that you can download. Inside of this is going to be a sticky embroidery sheet that you can print on or draw on, and then also 3 wash away sheets that will dissolve so you can embroider with them. So these are gonna be used in our embroidery stuff, but you have that pen, so you don't have to use these. But we want you to learn how to use these, so that's why we included them. Schedule for the weekend of our live stream event. Members will get all ebooks, and I will be doing ebooks all of 2026, so I'm so excited to share more about that. So don't lose this. Oh, and then the exclusive Hello Weekend 2025 sticker, and it has all of our sponsors on there, and we're so excited. I'm so excited for this, okay? So that's what's in the box. Link is in the description. If there's so many good things in this box. Jess, Ivy, Lindsay, they're coming out to do crafts with this box, are also unboxing this box. So if you want to see their genuine reaction, I'm also putting vlogs out in August because we just have so many fun things going on. I want to bring you guys along for it all. We rented this whole Airbnb in our neighborhood that we're going to be crafting with and filming tutorials with these ladies. So vloggy time. I need you guys there with me, right? I'll see you guys in the next video.